Hello, I'm Frank Recchia. Here's what's making news around southwestern Connecticut. Bridgeport immigration lawyer Alex Meyerovich tells News 12 Connecticut there has been a dramatic increase in the number of illegal Russian immigrants working as strippers here in southwestern Connecticut. Meyerovich says he's calling for less restrictive immigration policies so young women will not be forced into selling their bodies to feed their families. We'll be right back with a check of the forecast.
Now only on 12, controversy today over what some say is a dramatic increase in the number of illegal Russian immigrants working as strippers here in southwestern Connecticut. News 12 Connecticut's Frank Recchia is in our newsroom. Frank, you spoke with one of these strippers today.
Christy, she says when her visa expired, she had to make a very difficult choice. Do you say to yourself, I wish I didn't have to do this?
Of course.
24-year-old Lana Klitschko has a bachelor's degree in public relations, but her current line of work, stripping,
she sells herself, she sells her body,
is not the kind of PR she had hoped to be doing.
It's creepy sometimes to work there, because it's not safe sometimes.
Klitschko came to southwestern Connecticut 2 years ago as part of a U.S. cultural exchange with her native Russia.
You're thinking about your future, and then you're just basically thinking that's a job.
She says though her visa has expired, she's continuing to work illegally as a stripper.
That's not what I want.
They come from a country where $1 a day can feed a family.
Immigration lawyer Alex Meyerovich says many illegal Russians here in southwestern Connecticut who came on the same visa program as Klitschko,
yes, it is terrible,
have turned to stripping out of financial desperation.
Most of them are not bad people. They're good people. They just want to work. They want to support their families.
Meyerovich says he feels for Klitschko and many other women in her position because they have nothing to return to in Russia and are not allowed to get legal employment here in the U.S.
For as long as the immigration policy stays where it is right now, girls will continue making these choices.
Meyerovich says he is working very hard for a merit-based immigration policy that would allow immigrants like Klitschko to work legally here in the U.S. and have the right to travel back to their home countries unrestricted. In the newsroom, Frank Recchia, News 12 Connecticut.
Thank you, Frank. Fairfield